Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and it's been a while. I uploaded a video on this channel, so because the reason is I just moved to a new country and I took some time for me to settle everything up. And from now onwards, I'm completely settled now, so I'll try to make a video every week. So, and this video, as the thumbnail suggests, it's like a milestone video. I just want to cover like why I started this channel and everything. So this is not like I'm making this video for my selfish intent, just because I want to keep this video as a reference for me. If I'm stuck somewhere in the future, I'll just come back and watch this video because it's there out there for me. So I'll understand, okay, where I'm currently compared to this particular day. So yeah, first of all, really thank you guys. Like we have like more than 13,000 subscribers. I know it's been more than 3 years. I started uploading these videos, and I have like more than 320 videos. I think 321 videos. This will be 322nd video, including all live streams and stuff. And it's been a wonderful ride. So I've been doing this channel from my undergraduation days. And the reason why I started this channel is very simple. So I just want to be someone, like I just want to be popular. So back in those days, like there used to be guys like even now like Mr. Who's the Boss and KBHD and these all tech YouTubers, like they are like wonderful. So I used to like them, and I wanted to be popular. So like I'm not too popular or too I'm like most I used to maintain a low profile like until this channel started, I'll be honest. So that's the reason I want to be recognized, so that I started this channel. And the name TechTuber is that's the reason. So like in for the instance, I start my first few videos are about unboxings of tech stuff. So I unboxed my mother phone, I unboxed some headphones. Like that's the first videos that I made. And so that's how it actually started. Okay, so that's the reason you'll see TechTuber at the end of my name. So I just don't want to change that name. I'll just keep it because it's been good for me. So it's like a lucky charm kind of thing, and I'm very happy that everything worked. So then, and then why? Then you may be having doubt like why I went from this tech unboxings and tech gadget stuff and to this ethical hacking or pen testing, whatever you can call. It is because I watched a series called as Mr. Robot. So Mr. Robot is the series, okay, which ignited my mind on, okay, so there is something like this. I never know ethical hacking is there. I just used to know hacking, and hacking used to be bad. That's what I used to know. So then I after watched this Mr. Robot, and I just watched Mr. Robot because some of my friends recommended that, and it was very amazing. Like more than story and stuff, I got connected to the stuff that the guy is doing, and it's pretty wonderful for me. Like I always felt like, okay, I should also do these kind of stuff in an ethical way, and how to do it. And I started searching on YouTube. I started searching. I attended one or two workshops. Like the first few videos I saw are from TCM Security and Hackersploit. So so those are some of the good videos, some good videos and stuff, which like gave me more understanding on what all this stuff are. And then I got to know about Linux, and then Kali Linux, and then all that happened. So like then I started posting. So I first video like in cybersecurity stuff is going to be on this OSINT video. So it's like name identification kind of thing. So name OSINT kind of video, and I posted that video. So that was my first cybersecurity video, and like on cybersecurity topic. And I felt it's better because there is no much investment. Like for example, if you want to do some tech gadgets and stuff, right, I should invest a lot. I should buy a new phone. I should be up to date with the technology. Like there's a lot of money going. Like there's a lot of cash flow for me. So I felt like this is much better because I'm using my laptop, I'm just using my webcam, and I just purchased a mic. Currently, I'm not having any mic because one mic I bought it's not working. I bought a new one. It will be coming in few days. But yeah, so only microphone is the one that I invested actually in this channel, and everything that I bought are only for my personal use, like this laptop, everything, like the laptop and there's some flippers here. All this stuff I just bought for my own sake, and that was wonderful. So there is like zero investment, and yeah, that's good. Then I did some courses on Udemy, from Jet Security mostly, and those are like I bought them for like 400 rupees. Like it's like roughly $5 or something. So at that point of time, and one course that truly helped me is this PNPH course by TCM Security. So that's a wonderful course for me. Like I would say that helped me a lot in understanding what pen testing and all these are. And then I felt into the track of certifications. So there's a like a lot of saying like certified ethical hacker by EC Council certification is very well renowned, and I thought like, okay, doing this particular certification will make me an ethical hacker, and I just did that. So my undergraduate university has some partnership with the EC Council, and then I got the voucher for like very cheap price, like less than $200 maybe or something, and I did that, and I passed the CH. So and later I felt, okay, this is not what a real ethical hacker does. Okay, so because it's very minimal. Okay, and then courses went on. I made few videos, and then I got an internship in a web at a company where I worked as a web pen tester, so a web application pen tester, or you can call bug bounty. So then I got to know some about bug bounty and some technology, some technologies, and how to identify and stuff. And then at that point of time, I identified few OTP bypass or authentication bypass vulnerabilities. Some of them are duplicates. Like I'm not too much into bug bounty. I'm not too much into bug bounty and some authentication and some IDOR. So that's how I identified. So that's a very good point. Like I got to know about, okay, this is bug bounty, what to do and how to identify. I have my own workflow. I've also made some videos on you on my channel as well. You can go and check them out if you want to. And then one major point is I made a course, so I'm still proud because when I tell someone that I made a course, so it's like they feel okay, they look like with some good respect anywhere. So I made a course on Burp Suit, so it's available for free on Udemy, and it has like more than 9,000 students. So it's a good thing. It's also available on my channel. So that particular course, unlocked me so many doors. So I got offers like saying that like guys asked me for some kind of one-to-one sessions, workshops, and stuff. I did that, and because of this particular course, I got like more exposure. I'll be honest, in the field of this teaching or instructing kind of thing. Then later, some more videos. Okay, so in all these steps between, I make keep on making videos like once a week because I used to stay at hostel during my undergraduation, and there is no like good setup to make videos there. Like even now, I don't have a good setup. Like just making some room. It's a private room, so there in the hostel, it's not even a private room. So I used to go to home. Like the reason I used to go to home is because of homesick. But I made it a bit commercial because every time I go to home, I used to record a video and I used to upload that on YouTube. So that's how it's like. It's a win-win situation for me. So yeah, it's a good thing. And then later did some coursework and stuff, and I met a lot of good professors who really helped me in igniting some of the interest. They truly understood the potential of me, and I'm really glad that they did, and their support really helped me. So and then I took the CH practical and I passed that. So then I got a CH master certification, and I truly still till now I feel that okay, CH practical is much better than CH and see because it has something practical aspect, and there is some learning that's required. It's not like by hearting some kind of multiple choice questions and just answering no. Here you need to actually do some kind of a CTF kind of thing. So CH practical is very good, and I did that. And that's how like I passed my undergraduation. In between I made more videos. Okay, so then I got job as an application security engineer at Cognizant, and I worked for almost 2 years, not 2 years exactly, like almost 2 years in the field of privilege access management. Okay, so you can just search what privilege access management is, and you'll understand what I do basically. So, and also there is some bit of vulnerability analysis and stuff, and also patching related stuff. So it's a kind of blue team kind of job, but I truly liked it. Okay, it's fine. It's a good job for for cybersecurity studies, and I was very glad because I got a cybersecurity job in the initial part of my career. Okay, because most of the guys who still ask me on LinkedIn and stuff saying that how I get cybersecurity jobs kind of thing, because even I don't know how I got it. I just got it. I just applied, and I'm very lucky enough that I got job. It's not a it's a not like too fancy job kind of thing. It's normal average job. So then later, I passed PNPT, so practical network pen tester. I failed the first attempt, and then I passed the second attempt. That's a good certification. Because of this PNPT, for the preparation of this PNPT, I got much stronger in this Active Directory pen testing stuff. and it's a wonderful thing. Even I love active director pen testing more than anything. So like I've been exploring a lot of tools and stuff, and then I passed PNPT. PNPT is a wonderful experience. Like it gave me good exposure, okay, how real time pen test is going to be, and it really helped me. Like, okay, writing report, I never wrote a report before that, so I wrote a report. It's good. I got some errors. They just asked me to rewrite a report, and then then I submitted that, and it's a wonderful experience. The PNPT is, for the price, it's most worth it than ZH and stuff. So just consider what your goal is, and you can take that. It's a wonderful thing. And then I started preparing for this OSCP. So OSCP has been my dream from my undergraduation days, but I couldn't take it because it's costly. So it's a lot of money, and I don't want to ask my parents for that money because it's too burden. Like in India, it's very hard for that, even for the $1,000 as well, because the parity is kind of very different. But in US, it's like very simple for most of the guys. But in India, it's like a different situation. You need to save a lot of money in order to take the OSCP and stuff. Then I bought the OSCP voucher with my money. So when I planned to take it, it was like $1,000 or something. When I bought it, it's like 4 15.99 or something. I'm not exactly sure, but 14.99 or something. Then I started preparing, so I felt it's good. Started doing challenges. I did almost all except Skylark and stuff. It's good. It's a good experience. Then I started applying for the universities for my master's. So master's been a goal for like a thing from my undergraduation days, but I felt like okay, I should do at least 1 or 2 years of job before going to the master's, and I did that. I applied. So I thought to go for the fall itself, fall 2023 itself, but I couldn't make it because of deadlines and stuff. I thought to go even for the fall 2023, but there are no good universities at the time. Like most of the deadlines are completed and all are done. So I waited for the spring and I applied to some of the notable universities and I got into Carnegie Mellon. Right now I'm in Pittsburgh doing my master's in information technology, information security. So it's simply, you can call it as masters in information security at Carnegie Mellon. Then once I got it, I started all my procedure for the stuff like visa and all that. And then I took the exam, OECP, and I failed. I'll be honest, I failed for the first attempt. I just failed by 10 points. So it's been some kind of a journey. Like I passed, like the thing is, I completed the AD within like 2 hours. I felt like I'm done. Like I'm just passed the exam and I'm done. But these standalone machines were very hard for me. Then I understood, okay, there is a lot of practice that I need to do. And then I started working on this PG practice and stuff. So that's it. And I'm going to give my OSCP attempt in some days, few days. So I'm doing this PG practice in between. I'm watching the siren videos on YouTube. That's good. It's been a good thing. And that's it. Nothing more than that. So this is what all I achieved till now. So this is not like an achievement kind of thing. So everyone has their own perspective in achieving stuff, but this is what I did. So if you like, I did it, and you too can also do it. This is not huge, kind of. I'm not a $1 million bug bounty hunter or kind of thing. I don't have 1 million subscribers on channel, but something I just did something, from so I would say like I've been like from nobody to somebody. So that's how I did it. And I'll make this video after like few more years after completion of masters maybe, and I'll see where I am. I'll compare both these videos and I'll see. And really thank you guys like staying tuned till the end and listening to all my bullshit story or whatever you can call this, but this is actual story, I'd say. And really thank you for all this support and stuff. I don't even know a lot of your names, like 13,000 names are like too much to remember. But I would just like to say thank you for all your love and support, and I'll keep making videos because of this channel. Everything that I'm having right now is all because of this channel, and I don't want to kill that. I just try to make at least one video a week. It can be a live stream or whatever it is. I'll just keep this channel active, and I just want to show that I'm consistent to the world. And thank you, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye. Take care.